a nice worked example of double angles as they fit with general solution. Get to the question and it's sine squared x plus cos 2x minus cos x equals 0. So this can be a bit confusing because there's a lot of things happening. There's squared, so it could be the identity sine squared plus cos squared is 1, and there's cos double angle. What I said earlier, when you see a cos double angle, because there are 3 options, cover it with your hand and see what else is there, and you notice what else is there are sines and coses, and so in this case the best option would probably be the top one. So let's see how that works out. I expand the cos double angle into the first option, and once I've done that I notice the sine squared and this sine squared cancel, so all I'm left with is cos squared x minus x. Remember, whenever you're feeling a little bit stuck in any section of maths, just factorize. So I'm taking out a cos, and that's what I'm left with. The answer, whenever you have something in front of a bracket that has an x, is always 0, and this cos will be 1. Now normally what I would advise if I was teaching on general solutions is that you want to work out which quadrant that you're in. You want to tick the quadrants, and you want to work out a reference angle. But if you ever notice that the answers you're getting for sine and cos are 1s, noughts, or minus 1s, it can be 10 times easier just to draw a parent graph and read it off that. And so you can see as quickly as I'm drawing, you could be doing this in your tests and exams. A basic cos graph, and I notice when does cos equal 0? It's there at 90 and there at 270. And so those would be my specific solutions. But as a general solution, my answer would just be it happened at 90. And because I can see it's going to happen at 270, which is 180 degrees later, I'm just going to summarize it as plus 180k. Where does it equal 1? It's right here at the top, at 0, and at 360. And so again, let me just summarize and say it happens at 0, and if it's going to happen again at 360, then I'm just going to say plus 360k. And so look out for that little subtle trick when you have answers of 1, 0, or minus 1.